Hello and welcome to Mindset Love. In today's video, we will show you how to make the best ashwagandha hot chocolate and why you need to drink it. This is the perfect drink to incorporate into a natural and healthy lifestyle. Many of us tend to feel stressed or anxious from time to time, as the world can be a very hectic place. So we found this amazing herb which has so many health benefits, plus it tastes delicious in hot chocolate. And who doesn't like hot chocolate? Ashwagandha is one of the most important herbs in Ayurveda, which is a traditional form of alternative medicine based on Indian principles and natural healing. People have used ashwagandha for thousands of years to relieve stress and anxiety, to increase strength, and to improve the quality of sleep. Now mix it with cacao powder and get the best nutrition for your mind, body, and soul. Cacao helps with healthy digestion, a healthy heart, it boosts the mood, and it can even lower the risk of a heart attack and stroke. Let's get into this delicious recipe. Use 10 ounces of very hot water, or substitute for your favorite dairy-free milk. I like to use almond milk. Add 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cacao powder, half a teaspoon of ashwagandha, 1 teaspoon of reishi mushroom powder, 1 teaspoon of maca, and 1 teaspoon of coconut butter. Add the sweetener of your choice, add stevia, maple syrup, or raw honey to taste. I like to use maple syrup. You can also optional add 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and 1 scoop of collagen. To a high-speed blender or small blender, add hot water or dairy-free milk, cacao powder, ashwagandha, reishi, maca, coconut butter, and the sweetener of your choice. Add cinnamon and collagen at a time as well if you use them. Note, if you're using dairy-free milk in place of water, you can opt to skip coconut butter as it's largely there to provide creaminess. Blend on high until creamy, about 1 minute. Taste and adjust flavors as needed, adding more sweetener to taste, cacao for rich chocolate flavor, maca for malty flavor, or coconut butter for more coconut flavor and butteriness. The adaptogens mushrooms can be a bit on the bitter side. Adding more coconut butter, cacao, and sweetener will offset this. And that's it. Enjoy. And let me know in the comments below if